As it's the end of the summer season, me and my friends decided to light up the pan. So we made some jerk chicken. We have some skewers going on here. And me, I really wanted some roast yam and cook up saltfish. And this was definitely the star of the show for me. So just briefly, this is what I used to season up the chicken. You know, some Maggi, some jerk seasoning, and some wet jerk rub. Literally just gonna clean up the chicken and get it marinated. For maximum flavor, I do recommend marinating your chicken and leaving it overnight in the fridge. Now what I did to speed up time, we went ahead and placed the chicken in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes, depending on the size. Then after this time, we went ahead and placed them on the grill. Now once you put them on the grill, you want to be turning them at least every 10 minutes until they're done. Now you want to leave these on the grill for about, I would say about 40 minutes to an hour, depending on the size of the chicken. Now after this time, your chicken should be done. Make sure you are opening, checking the inside of the chicken, whether using a thermometer. Me, old school, me just bust it with a knife and just look. And after this time, you know, chicken ready, chop it up, ready to go. Now for the skewers, we do have onions, peppers, courgettes, and some shrimp. I season them lightly with some vegetable seasoning and also some mixed herb seasoning. Just arrange them on your soaked skewers. You want to soak your skewers just to make sure they don't burn on the grill. And my friend also added some halloumi cheese. Now I'm going to do some corn. Now this is all I'm going to do, a mixture with some aromat seasoning, some garlic granules, and some butter, room temperature butter. And all I'm going to do is just smother these all over the corn with a bit of about 2 tablespoons of water, cover it, wrap it in the foil, and we're going to place it on the grill. Now this is the yam. We're going to wrap it, as you can see, in some foil paper. Then we're going to put it on the grill. Now we roasted these, I would say, on the grill in the foil paper for about an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, I did take the foil paper off and just left it, you know, for catch a little color, catch a little smoke for about another half an hour. But what you can do with your yam, what I did is I just kept pushing a knife through it, and once the knife went through easily, I knew it was done. So my friend Roni, I tried burn up her hand, but she play a hero. Try burn up her hand and she see the fire and she still a go through with the can, just a dash it pan it, but I just left her cause fear hand no normal. My girl, big up yourself. Now we're moving on to the saltfish, my favorite part, the cook up saltfish. So here we have enough scotch bonnet pepper, onion, sliced peppers. We're gonna go ahead now and we sauteed these, and I let this cook for about 10 minutes before adding my cooked saltfish and some black pepper. Now once I added the saltfish, I did go ahead and let this just cook down on low heat for about another 10 to 15 minutes. Now the same thing with the skewers, we're going to wrap them in foil paper and put them on the grill. We did have a lot of skewers, you know, enough space never dip on the grill, so to save time we did go ahead and put the rest in the oven. Now this took about 20 minutes and they were done. Those were the ones that was in the oven. Now this is after removing the foil paper off the yam just to catch a color, so it has that authentic roast yam look. Now once this is done, we went ahead and we peeled the yam and just threw the saltfish on it, and it was, oh my god, You know, sometimes there is something that you haven't eaten in a long time, because it's not something that you eat all the time, but when you do eat it, man, you're just like, whoa, that is so good. And this for me, definitely doing it again very, very soon. Definitely was the star of the show. Not just for me, but for everybody. Everybody did just want the roast yam and saltfish. There you have it, guys. A nice, enjoyable evening with my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.